Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a clear, high-resolution image because low-res pictures look soft when stretched. Once chosen, open your Photos or Gallery app and confirm it has permission to access storage so you can export the image. Then go straight to the home screen, long press an empty spot, and tap Wallpapers or Home Settings. This launches the system tool that lets you preview and assign wallpapers. Make sure to pick the image now so the editor is ready. Now edit the photo to fit your display. Crop, pinch to scale, and slide to position the main subject where icons won't hide it. Once satisfied, decide whether to set it for the home screen only, lock screen only, or both. Doing home only keeps your lock screen separate. Also check motion or parallax options, turn them off for a static image that conserves battery and reduces icon movement. After adjustments, preview to confirm alignment before applying. Finish by tapping Apply or Set and choose Home Screen to immediately see the change. Return to your home pages and swipe through to ensure icons remain visible and the composition looks right. If the wallpaper appears blurry, swap in a higher resolution image or use an image with the correct orientation and aspect ratio so the editor doesn't upscale it. If you can't set the wallpaper, make sure permissions are granted. Then restart the phone or app and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.